After making hundreds of thousands of dollars online with e-commerce, here are the top 3 lessons that I learned personally that I wish I knew when I first started. So if you're new to the channel, what's up guys? My name is Marcus Slam. I'm from New York City. I started my dropshipping business when I was 21 years old, and it's been about 5 years now, almost 6, half a decade. The first lesson that I wish I knew when I first started is your circle is everything, because a flower can't blossom if it's in a dead environment. So for example, if you put a seed in a dark room, it doesn't matter how good the seed might blossom to, it's not going to grow. So my first big advice that I wish I personally knew started first going into dropshipping is to surround myself with the right people. And the reason this is very important is because your people around you will actually show you where you're gonna be at. If you're around 5 thieves, you're probably gonna be the 6th one. If you're around 5 entrepreneurs, you will be the 6th one. So it's very important that when you're on this journey, which I like to call the lonely path, because entrepreneurship is very hard, find people that will resonate with you. Find people that understand your messaging. Find people that have goals like you, because quite honestly, most people in this world don't have goals. And if you find other people that don't have goals, you're gonna be the 6% doesn't have goals. I used to feel very excluded sometimes. A lot of my friends would go out, they would have parties and have fun, and I would be stuck in my room looking at Facebook and Google ads. The truth is, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. At the end of the day, in your life, all that matters when you die is that, did you try? Did you actually go after what you set yourself out to do, right? And a lot of people are afraid. And so my first big lesson that I wish I knew when I was younger was find people that are like-minded, that are free-spirited, so that it will make it easier for you to not be afraid, okay? The second big lesson that I wish I knew personally starting off is how important the concept of money is. It's not just about making money, it's about how much money you can keep. So this is a very big one. It's gonna fly over most of your guys' heads, but you guys have to understand this. Spending money and having offense and defense with your finances is important. So let me explain, all right? So when I first started off, all I kept thinking about was, I'm gonna spend more money on ads, I'm gonna make more revenue, but I wasn't able to keep any of the money at the end of the day. So one of the biggest sayings that I learned from my mentor, Brian McConda, is revenue is vanity, profit is sanity. And so this is so important because, like I said, it doesn't matter how much money it shows on the Shopify dashboard. If you're not keeping money, if you're not able to take that money and use it for whatever you need to, it's practically useless. And so when I first started all I kept thinking about was making more and more revenue numbers, making more money, when in reality, I was spending way too much. I didn't know where the money was going. I didn't look at the profits, and overall, my business started tanking because I just didn't understand that type of financial literacy. So my biggest second lesson for you all that I wish I knew when I first started is your financing, is understanding that you need to make your profits, you have to keep your profits, and you have to spend your money very resourcefully. The third and final lesson that I wish I knew when I first started is how fast things can change. So when I was 22 years old, I got a call from my mom. It was about a week right before my birthday, and I got a call from my mom saying that my cousin went missing, and then a few days later he passed away. And that was a very big part of my life, because that was the moment I realized that everything could change in an instant. And so the reason why I'm bringing this story up is because just like how people could leave you in an instant because shit happens, so could your finances, guys. Like when I first got my online sale, started up my store, got my first sale, I didn't even know how to feel. But what ended up happening after was a sale after, a sale after. Granted, I was doing low ticket back then, but my point is still the same. Life will change very, very fast. Part of entrepreneurship is being able to keep up with those changes. That's my best advice for you guys. When life changes, are you able to stick through with those changes? Are you able to adapt to those changes? Will you continue reinventing yourself for those changes? Because a lot of people, when faced with challenges, for example, maybe I'm still in college and I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do in the future, right? And obviously, when you think about stuff like that, there's going to be lots of changes that's going to happen. embrace it. Okay, embrace that change is naturally going to happen. Embrace that you're going to have times where you don't know what you're doing, and embrace the fact that you might not know it all. And when that moment happens, when change does need to come, like, take it for what it is. Because just like how things could change badly fast, I wish someone just told me how good life could change also in the positive direction. And so my message for you all is this, right? If you surround yourself with the right people, if you actually track your finances, you don't just worry about spending more money, but you actually learn how to keep your money. You understand financial literacy, and you also understand that life will change very fast. Once you realize the power of the online world, once you realize you could put AI with high ticket dropshipping, you're gonna realize how fast your life could actually change. Like, I literally chill when I want to, eat what I want. I have a very comfortable life. I'm very blessed. It wasn't always like this. My life changed when I realized that I am the sum of the 5 people that I surround myself with. I am going to have to take my finances very seriously. It's not just about revenue, it's about profit. And life could change very fast. So when it rains, it pours. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all so much for tuning in all the way to this part of the video. I have a free school community with my business partner Trevor, where we teach you how to make money online using high ticket dropshipping to help you get to $10,000 a month in profit in the next 6 months. Apply down below for our one-on-one mentorship program. And as always, Lamb Fam, thank you all so much for staying until the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Peace out.